Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna start with sum number 10 in chapter right circular cone. So today, first we discuss once more the formation of the right circular cone. Where the right circular cone, the volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and its lateral surface area is pi r l, and total surface area is pi r plus l. And if this is the right circular cone, there should be a relationship between slant height and the radius. So slant height square equal to radius square plus height square. So now we're gonna start with the sum number 10, and the base of the right circular cone is a circle. So now the question is, in a right circular conical tent, 11 persons can stay. For each person, 4 meter square space in the base and 20 meter cube air are necessary. Let us determine the height of the tent put up exactly for 11 persons. So now, wherever this is the base, if it's a tent like in a shape of right circular conical tent, the 11 persons are standing on the base, so therefore they are standing on a circle. So therefore, according to the problem, base of the tent is 11 into 4. One person's occupied 4 meter square space, so 11 persons occupied 11 into 4 meter square equal to 44 meter square space. And therefore volume of the base, or volume of the tent, sorry, it should be tent, volume of the tent is 11 into 20 equal to 220 meter cube. One person's occupied 20 meter cube air, so therefore 11 persons occupied 11 into 20 to 220 meter cube. So therefore we can say base of the tent is 44 meter square, so therefore pi r square equal to 44. Putting the value of pi, 22 by 7 r square equal to 44. This should be. Now another thing is, volume of the tent is 220 meter cube. So according to the problem, 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 220 meter cube. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 r square into h equal to 220. Now this is 22 by 7 r square or pi r square. So in the place of 22 by 7 r square, we can write down the 44. So 44 into h equal to 220. So therefore, by cross multiplying this, 3 should be multiplied and 44 should be divided. So h equal to 220 into 3 by 44. Dividing by 22, we get this should be 10 and this should be 2. So after dividing 10 by 2, we get 5. So 5 into 3 equal to 15 meter. So therefore, we can say height is 15 meter. This is sum number 11. The external diameter of a conical coronet made of thermocol is 21 cm in length. To wrap up the outer surface of the coronet with foil, the expenditure will be 57.75 at the rate of 10 paisa per meter square. Let us calculating the height and the slant height of the coronet. So therefore, here we can see the diameter is given 21 centimeter. So therefore we can write radius equal to 21/2 centimeter. We don't know the slant height, therefore let assume slant height is L centimeter. So therefore curved surface area is pi r L. So pi r L means 22/7, r means 21/2, and we don't know the L for slant height, which we assume that slant height is L. So this is remaining as L centimeter square. 3 2 11, after dividing 22/2 we get 11. So therefore the answer is 11 into 3, 33 L centimeter square. So therefore cost should be $33L into 10 paisa per meter square. It means 0.10 rupees per meter square. So therefore the answer should be 3.3L rupees. So according to the problem, we know that total cost of surface area is 57.75, of the lateral surface area is 57.75. Here we find that 3.3L, which is, so therefore we can say that 3.3L equal to 57.75. So we can say that L equal to 57.75 by 3.3, which can be written as 57.75 by 100 into 10 by 33. So first it should be divided by 11. So 11 to 33, 3, 11, 5, 27, 2, 55, 5. So after that it should be divided by 3. So 3 17s are 51, so it should be 17,155. So 175 by 10 equal to 17.5 centimeters. So here we find that slant height is 17.5 centimeter. So we know the relationship between L square, H square and R square. So L square equal to H square plus R square. So according to the problem, we find that L equal to 17.5 whole square. So 17.5 whole square equal to H square plus R square, means here R is equal to 21/2 or 10.5 whole square. So we can say that 17.5 whole square minus 10.5 whole square from right hand side to left hand side. So it should be minus equal to H square. So A square minus B square formation, A plus B into A minus B. So 17.5 plus 10.5 and 17.5 minus 10.5 equal to H square. So therefore 17.5 plus 10.5, it should be 28, and 17.5 minus 10.5 should be 7, equal to H square. So here we can write that H square equal to 28 into 7. So H equal to root over 28 means 7 into 2 into 2 into 7. This 28 we can break it into 7 into 2 into 2, 7 into 2 14, 14 into 2 28. So therefore H equal to, if we root over this, square rooting this side, so therefore we get from this 2 7 we get 1 7, and from this 2 2 get 1 2. So height equal to 14 centimeter. So here we find that slant height is 17.5 centimeter and the height is 14 centimeter.